Hey guys, it's me Pikachu today. We have a Obsidian Flames pack. Let's open it and see what we get. First, a promo card and a code card. Pack 1. First pack, and we already got a full art. And a code card. Pack 2. Code card. Pack 3. You know, the drill another code card. And that's all for today, guys. See ya!